How to unhide Instagram reel from your profile grid. In this video, I will show you how can you easily hide and unhide the Instagram reel video you post on your profile. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, you can see I have a post here. So it is same to hide or unhide a post in the Instagram reel. So click on the three dots at the top right corner and there you will see the option of archive. Click on it and this post has been hidden from your profile grid. Now how do you want to bring it back? Just click on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on archive. Now as it was a post, you need to search the option of post archives and there you will see the post. Click on it and then click on the three dots. There you will see the option of show on profile. Click on it and click again on show on profile. Now this post has been restored. And that's all. That is how easily you can hide and unhide Instagram reel or post from your profile grid. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.